A common misconception is that when we fertilize our plants, we're actually feeding them. Well, this simply is not the case. Plants make their own food through photosynthesis. They consume light as their source of energy. But the minerals in the fertilizers that we use are important to plants' health. Just like we may take iron supplements or potassium supplements to help our health, well, plants need these mineral supplements as well, and we provide that to them through the form of fertilizers. Now, let me show you what happens when a plant doesn't get enough of a nutrient. These are examples of nitrogen deficiency, the nutrient that is most commonly deficient because it's used in greatest amounts and leaches from soil the fastest. Now, here's some normal-looking Cleomes. They've got nice color, good stocky shape. These Cleomes are nitrogen deficient. Nitrogen is moved from the lower leaves and they turn yellow up in the upper growth, but there's just not enough nitrogen. The whole plant looks yellowish and stunted. Same thing here with these salvias. These are the same kind of salvia. This has gotten enough nitrogen, big old dark green leaves, not enough nitrogen here, stunted, yellow, and not doing very well. Now, if you have plants that look like this or start to look on the pale side, don't let them get this bad, you can fertilize them with a soluble fertilizer. Now, use a soluble fertilizer because the nitrogen is an immediately available form, and these plants need nitrogen as fast as possible. Also, don't overlook the fact that there are some plants that are naturally Chartreuse. This is an ornamental sweet potato and an alternanthera. These are the color they should be. Fertilizer won't help them. But for plants, it should be a good dark green color. Watch for this paleness and stunting and give them some nitrogen if you see that. Forget it growing. I'm Dan Gill with the LSU AgCenter.